Need some help with your personal profile? First of all, what is a personal profile? An introduction to your CV including a short summary of your background, skills, strengths and career goal. Tip: be concise. 4 to 5 sentences is enough. Did you know, on average, an employer will only look at a CV for 30 seconds or less before coming to a decision? It is therefore vital to invest time in your personal profile and tailor it to entice the employer to read the rest of your CV and hopefully invite you to the next step in the recruitment process. What to include in your personal profile? A summary of your skills, strengths and character, work experience and long-term career goal. For example, Emma is applying for an engineering apprenticeship. An honest, reliable and self-motivated individual who is not afraid of hard work. I'm able to work as part of a team or, if required, on my own. As a strong communicator who thrives off new challenges, I am prepared to learn and undertake any training required of me to pursue a career within the engineering industry. Remember to adapt your personal profile to the job description. Tip: research what skills and keywords are included within the job description and include in your personal profile. Send us your CV for feedback and further support on your personal profile.